Prometheus is a desktop machine that makes real circuit boards. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Prometheus to make your own double-sided circuit boards, complete with drilled holes and edge cuts that depanelize your board from the rest of the copper-clad. You'll start by importing your Gerber files into our ProCAM software. ProCAM was written specifically for Prometheus, and it's free to use. Changing bits doesn't require any wrenches or special tools. It's fast and simple. Prometheus will first drill the holes for the alignment pins. This will ensure that your top and bottom layers, as well as your drill holes, all line up. To mill the top layer, stick the board down with double-sided tape and remove the alignment pins. Prometheus will probe the board on a grid of points and save the height data. This will be used by ProCAM to adjust the Z-axis on the fly so that the bit maintains a very consistent cutting depth through the milling process. Prometheus is a very fast PCB milling machine. The spindle runs at 50,000 RPM and the runout is incredibly low. This allows Prometheus to run at very high feed rates even with small end mills. The top layer of this board took about 18 minutes to carve out. Here we see the copper chips and the dust suspended in the mineral oil. Once it's done, you could simply wipe the oil off with a paper towel. Now we begin milling the bottom side. First we start with another probing operation, and then we can mill the bottom of the board. This side took about 12 minutes. Next, we pry up the board and insert a sacrificial layer of plastic in between the board and the machine's table. This is to protect the table from the drill bit during drilling operations. The next step is to cut out the outline of the board from the copper-clad itself. Instead of waiting days or weeks to order your board and have it delivered from a manufacturer, you can use Prometheus on your desk to make your circuit board in a matter of minutes or hours. For more information, visit zippyrobotics.com and learn how you can pre-order your own Prometheus machine. Thanks for watching.